guys, my name is Viva Court. If you're new here, hey. If you're not new here, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing my hair. We're doing a lace closure, quick weave, and yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Okay guys, so right now I'm about to go ahead and do my wig cap. And I'm trying to cut a hole over my ear without stabbing myself in the ear. So, oh, there's my dog. Okay, so right here, I'm putting my got-to-be glue on my hairline so I know where I'm going to cut the cap at. Okay, y'all, so now I'm laying my closure, like, just to see where I'm going to place it and how far I could put my tracks up. So, yeah. Okay, y'all, so right here, I'm going ahead and I'm bleaching my closure. I'm bleaching the actual hair on the closure and not the, like, lace part because of how I'm about to style it. And, yeah, I'm about to dye it red. Okay, y'all, so now I'm about to go ahead and cut my cap so I can lay my closure and I can get started on doing these tracks. And as you can tell, it's sped up, so I'm not cutting it this fast, but I am cutting it off. Okay, y'all, so this part is just a little bit more tricky because I can't really see the back of my head at all. So I'm kind of just like feeling my way through or whatever. And also trying to show y'all me gluing on the track was difficult. So that's why I'm struggling. But yeah, y'all. Okay, y'all, so right now I'm just putting the glue on the little edges of the lace or whatever. Like, not the actual lace part where the little black dots are, but like the edge. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so right here I'm just doing like the edges where my closure doesn't pull. Like, my closure isn't a frontal, so it doesn't cover the whole of my head, the whole portion of my head that I'm trying to cover. So I'm just using these small tracks to basically like make the edges, I guess, so to speak, you know. Okay, y'all, so now I'm laying down my frontal completely. I cut it in half because I thought it would be easier. But yeah, y'all, I'm just laying it down using got-to-be spray and my blow dryer. Okay, y'all, so now I'm about to take these black strips and put them around my hairline so it'll keep the closure down. So I left the strips on for maybe like 20-30 minutes, And now I'm just cutting the lace off so I can get ready to do my baby hairs. I actually don't have footage of me doing my baby hairs because I couldn't get it right, but if you guys want a video of me doing my baby hairs, I will definitely do that for y'all. You can see I'm just trying to cut it as close to my hairline as possible. Like, I'm trying to get all that lace off so I can cover it up. Okay, y'all, so now I'm taking my Remy wax stick and I'm just putting it by my part so the flyaways will stay down. And as you can see, I already did my baby hairs, so really I'm just taking the hot comb and really I'm just like doing the finishing touches and putting my flyaways away and all that good stuff. For my baby hair, I used water and I used spritz foam wrap, so yeah. Okay, y'all, so I finished my hair. It is a quick weave, like I said. It's giving very much wig vibe. It's giving very much frontal, so I think I did a good job with it. If you like this video, please like this video. Give me a comment, a subscribe, anything like that. Happy Valentine's Day, y'all. Yeah, I hope you like this video. Bye guys, until next time.